My dear friends, welcome to my video. Health is your birthright. Our today's topic is eyes and eyes care. This time I would not be covering the nutrition or environment, etc., as already we have discussed in detail in my previous videos. I am sure you might be enjoying and making good of the videos correctly. In taking care of eye care, some simple formulas we can adopt in day-to-day life. For example, splashing the eyes with fresh water. It should not be very forceful splashing, which may hurt your eyes. Splashing the eyes with water will help you to remain fresh throughout the day. After all, the eyes are the mirror of your body and mind, your health and happiness. Other thing what you can take care is to, if possible, walk barefooted in the lawns. It will improve the health of our eyes. The blinking exercises, just always whenever possible, while traveling in the bus, while sitting in the, you can do this blinking exercises a little bit. And most important is that don't forget to close your eyes in between, otherwise it will lead to dry eyes. We don't want. Simple practice, just don't stare continuously for more than a minute. That itself is a long duration. And then you can activate the nervous system around your eye muscles by just gently rubbing both the sides, corners of the eyes like this. You are seeing it? Similarly, you can shift the fingers to these corners and gently move up, down, up, down, up, down. And you should enjoy this practice. And then we shall shift to eyebrows. Gently rub the eyebrows. Similarly, in the down portion, you rub it. So a full circle is over. Then some exercise, simple exercise. Open the eyes, close the eyes, open the eyes, close the eyes, 2-3 times. And then if still time is there, so altogether it may not take maximum 2 minutes. Shift to left, shift to right corner, shift to left corner, look up, look down, look up, look down. These are all, many of you might be already knowing. And then that will ensure a healthy eyes and a healthy vision. What are all the things we are normally facing when talking about the eyes? That is cataract, retinopathy due to diabetes perhaps, OND. OND means optical neuro disturbance. Okay. And half vision, sometimes it may be due to involvement of the brain. Then blurred vision, cataract, dry eyes, and pain in the eyes, sometimes injury due to some reasons or other, then reddening of the eyes, number of problems are there. Many of them can be easily managed, but then it is bacteriological infection or viral infection, then we have to be careful. Careful in the sense not only to take care of ourselves, but we should ensure that we are not transmitting to our other members in the family or in the office or nearby. We may resort to some readily available home remedies. There are a number of remedies reported which have proven to be beneficial. There are number of flowers which will be squeezed and put its juice in both the eyes, like Nandiyarvattam, but it is a white flower visible throughout India. Among the home remedies, triphala water, coriander water, then ginkgo biloba, all this will be very beneficial to you. And while coming to homeopathy, we are blessed with number of medicines for all situations, whether acute or chronic. Here, for example, if one is getting cataract in the eyes, in the beginning stage, if it is reported, he may give you causticum or phosphorus, depending on your identity. Identity means constitution. Now, it should be followed by instilling eye drops, Cineraria maritima, that is very famous for preventing cataract. It might take long time, but often you may not have to go for a knife. There can be dry eyes. We are blessed with the Lycopodium pulsatilla euphrasia. There can be some major eyes problem resulting from brain problems. When you will not be see fully, partial vision will be there, gelsemium will help you, physiostigma will help you, but yes, you take the help from your nearest doctor, so that it will be ideal that we are not wasting time. Then euphrasia is the main anchor in homeopathy while dealing with any eye problems. Similarly, natrum mur, ruta, gelsemium, physiostigma, belladonna, even cinna. Cinna is actually a worm medicine. Sometimes the kids will get skinned. At that time, it is the cinna which will cure them. The potency, etc., let your doctor decide. But I assure you, there are umpteen medicines in our arsenal, which is for you, which is for your health, which is for your eyes. Generally, we have understood the normal disturbances faced by day-to-day life with respect to eyes and vision, and the possibilities of countering it. Yes, we shall take the help, we shall do that, and we will be fine. Okay, next time I shall be coming with the topic, the stroke. Till then, your Dr. N. Sukumaran, CEO.